Okay, so we got this situation, pair of tangents drawn from external point. So like this topic has been already introduced in the chapter named circle. So it is same here as it is. Okay, so over there what we have used? We have used S1 equals t square. Okay, so if point is lying outside the circle, parabola, ellipse or hyperbola, you can drop down two tangents and it will be given as it is. Like first, you know that who is S? S is curve. Okay, who is S1? S1 is point satisfaction. Point satisfaction. Okay, means you have to satisfy the point. Who is T? Transformed equation. Transformed equation. Now look at this. You know that x square will be replaced by x, x1. Y square will be replaced by y, y1. X will be replaced by x plus x1 by 2. Y will be replaced by y plus y1 by 2, and c will be as it is. Xy will be replaced as x, y1, x1, y by 2. Okay, now look at this. So this way you will get pair of tangents and both are combined equation. So if you want independent equation, what you should do? You should factorize the curve like you did in pair of straight line. Okay, I hope idea is clear.